Hi. Every year, we see a lot of different biometric companies trying to solve problems like security and privacy, right? And there always seem to be some concerns, reservations in deployment for a lot of these different biometric solutions. So at Palm ID, we set out to basically provide the one solution that will solve all these issues. Instead of picking on any particular company, I'd like to pick on the different body parts. So let's take face, for example, right? With face biometrics, you might have, you need really good lighting in order to enroll, right? With face biometrics, you also need, it's basically, you need to have one device. It doesn't work across different devices. But face does have its advantages, right? You can use it for surveillance. Face is also readily available. The other biometric, everything good? The other biometric that we'd like to also look at is fingerprints, right? Traditionally, fingerprints were introduced by Apple and fully deployed. With fingerprints, there are some issues regarding fingerprints being too dry or too wet, right? If you're holding that Starbucks cup, the condensation from your thumb will not let you access your mobile device. Especially if you're in hard labor and if you have calluses, right? That's also going to take you out of the fingerprint world. So let me show you our solution called Palm ID. Lenny is going to demonstrate how easy it is to authenticate.
Very fast and simple.
Right? This is a completely touchless solution that works with wet palms, dirty palms. If you have scars, if you have calluses, our solution solves that. So let's address the enrollment process, right? Lenny is going to demonstrate how easy it is to enroll.
So I'm creating a new user. It will be called Lenny2. Now it asks me to enroll left palm, then to enroll right palm, and that's it. Now, if I show my palm, I get authenticated immediately.
So what would you say that was? 20-second, 30-second enrollment, right? And you don't need to worry about things like surveillance. Or oftentimes we see, I mean, my wife does it, I know. Whenever she tries to open her iPhone, she starts checking her hair and just checking how she looks, right? With Palm is a lot more private than face. And you're actually showing an intent to do something, right? And good luck finding my palm on my Facebook. So where are we in the marketplace? Let's take one of our largest partners, NCR. NCR is one of the largest ATM manufacturers, right? What they developed is an ATM machine where you can come up, it's completely touchless, show your palm to the ATM, and the money comes out. Well, how does it work? Our solution works across devices. The user can open up their bank app, whatever bank you're banking with, and preset your transaction on your mobile device. So you can say, withdraw $20, right? Show your palm to the device. It beacons to the closest ATM nearby. Then you would show your palm to that ATM. There's no PIN code. There's no card. That's how easy that works. Okay? So today we took it, we'd like to introduce our next product, of course. We are sticking to palms. We're not venturing out of that. And our next product is SaaS. We call it Palm IDX. So what you saw here was authentication. Authentication means prove to me that you are who you say you are. With SaaS, we're able to achieve identification. We don't ask users to enter any other data field. They just show their palm, and their palm is being compared to all the other users in the system. Lenny to demonstrate.
That's it. And as you can see, at the bottom it shows that it is almost 1,300 users, and it matches instantaneously. It can handle tens of thousands of users in real time.
So, without being too technical, I do want to assure you that we do have some serious anti-spoofing, different levels that actually detect the liveness of the palm, right? Whether it's gesture-based, whether it's based on the actual texture, we're able to prevent things like a video replay or a printout of a palm to spoof someone else. And also think about it this way too, right? If somebody's trying to access your account, they really need to have access to your palm. So the palm owner and the perpetrator have to be collaborating, right? So anyway, with that being said, Palm ID X and Palm ID, we meet all the requirements when it comes to security, when it comes to privacy. We're able to work in a completely dark room where the illumination from your cell phone device is enough to operate. And, you know, the touchless, tokenless world is here. And we are thinking that we're at the edge of that. And if Palm ID is something that you think you can apply in your enterprise today, please come see us at our booth. Get our information down. We are located in San Francisco, and we'd love to answer any questions you might have and share all the technical data with you. This is a final product that's ready to go. Everybody has a unique palm, even if you have an identical twin. So, thank you.